So in this video, you'll learn how to make the lock screen pattern invisible on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select the option Lock Screen. From here, tap on Secure Lock Settings and then enter in your current pattern. From here, you should see Make Pattern Visible, and currently it's enabled, which is why whenever I'm entering in the pattern on my tablet, you can see a trail following it. However, if I want to hide the pattern, so to make it invisible, then I can just tap on this toggle like that to turn it off. And now, whenever I go to enter in a pattern, you can see there's no trail following my finger, which means that I've successfully made it invisible. And so that's how you can make your pattern on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra invisible. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.